How to log in to MyHR CVS employee. So Google search MyHR CVS employee, just like this. Now you go ahead and tap on the first suggestion shown. It will take a while. And as you can see, there are two credentials that you must fill, the username and the password. And right at the below, it shows three different options: retail, shop, corporate, healthcare. So be very careful about it. And if, for example, if you are a retail store or a minor clinic colleague, you have to enter your 7-digit employee contractor ID number and password. And similarly, if you're a corporate retail, you have to enter your computer Windows ID and password. And for the third, if healthcare, so you have to input your A or an ID information as well as password. So that's all it. Hopefully we help. Thank you so much for watching.